Okay, this is Pan Africa. As you can see, this is the library. Unfortunately, I can't shoot the intro here, so I have to do it outside because we have to keep quiet and we must act like we're not doing what we are doing. So let me show you what is happening. Here I have a cucumber. This is a small version of the cucumber, and I have the big one. You see this one? Hey, this one is huge. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it here. Voila, big one. So that's what we're gonna do. Like, comment, subscribe. 2,000 likes for part 3. Let's go. Yeah, it's called How to Have Sex Alone. Have you heard that book?
I've never seen that book in the library.
Okay, my name is Pan. What's your name? Oh, can I sit here? So what are you reading here?
Business management.
Oh, so you're still metric.
Yes.
Okay.
It's like you can't talk here. Okay. Because it's a completely quiet area.
Okay.